OSINT LIAR. The next-generation OSINT collection and data extraction tool provides the ability to tag or classify your data manually or programmatically. The process of tagging or classifying your data while conducting OSINT research enhances the quality of the data by transforming it into information. Annotating your data is one method for organizing the numerous pieces of disparate data into information. Data tagging involves attaching labels to pieces of data, which can be files, images, videos, or other digital content. These tags can describe anything from the content itself to its purpose, sensitivity, or relevancy. Data classification involves categorizing data into predefined groups or classes based on shared characteristics. Data classification can include an assignment based off of an algorithm. A good example would be sentiment analysis. Data tagging and data classification, while distinct in their specific approaches and applications, share several fundamental commonalities that make them essential practices in data management and analysis. Here are some of the key aspects they have in common. Organization of information. Both data tagging and data classification serve to organize information in a way that enhances its usability and accessibility. Data tagging involves attaching metadata or labels to data to identify and categorize it based on specific criteria, while data classification involves grouping data into predefined categories based on its attributes or contents. Both methods help in structuring data in a meaningful way. Data tagging and classifying with OSINT LIAR. OSINT LIAR provides several mechanisms for annotating your data. You can manually tag your data through the UI, or use a programmatic approach with OSINT LIAR's scripting engine. This video shows how to manually tag a piece of data from your collection. Future videos will focus on using the other techniques.